Been asked to do a quick video on how I make the arches. Rectangle tool, in the dimensions put 4, 4, enter, 4x4 square. Right click, reverse face, push pull tool, pull, 2, enter, gives 20mm block. Triple click, right click, make a group. We use our pie tool, find the midpoint and draw an arch. Double click along the red axis, right button to the side. Pick tool, delete the bottom so we're left with just the arch. If you click on this, in the entry info you'll see the length there, 4.59. That's how we're going to make our bricks. So we go to the rectangle tool, press the left key, green axis, up, it'll be 4.59, comma, and because it's 20mm thick, it'll be 2, enter. Click on the front, push pull, pull it towards you, 0.06, enter. Pick tool, on the face, copy. Triple click, right click, make group. We'll edit, we'll paste that face back, and we want the bricks to run up and down, so we'll have the front face, press Control, left side, OOB, and we'll select our brick setup, and we'll press OK, and we'll get our bricks there. So with that pick tool, we'll pick the back, Control, and the front, right click, make a group. And we'll use the plug-in of TrueBend. We'll click on, and then the object will have some guides along the bottom. That's where it's going to bend it along, and this is how far we're going to bend it. So if we click on the centre red bit and drag it towards us, you can see the arc bending. In the bottom right corner it'll give us an angle, so if we do our 180, enter, and if we're happy with that, press enter again, and that'll be our bricks bent. Triple click on the excess geometry and delete. Move the wall into place. We'll find the midpoint of the object. Happy with that? We'll get the end point there. We press the green arrow, restrain it, and that should disappear into our object. Perfect. Double click our cube so we highlight the face. We'll get the pie tool again and we'll find the centre, and then we'll come along and we'll pick the bricks but not the back end, so it's on that edge there. Do a 180 to there. Click away. We'll click our group of bricks, highlight, we'll right click and we'll hide them. So now we're left with our cube with the arc in it. Double click and we'll press on the arc. Push pull and we'll pull that through to the back and away. That's gone. Edit, paste in place. Oh, wrong one. Edit, unhide. And then we'll unhide. We'll delete that one. So now I want to make a bit of more of an arch, so we'll double click our cube, pull, say 2, gives us 20mm. Go to the other side, double click, and it'll pull it the same amount. We'll get our pick tool, and we want to control, pick, side, front, inside wall on both sides. So we should have all our walls highlighted there. Copy. click away. Edit, paste in place. So we've got our spare walls all pasted on top of the cubes. Pick the wall, pick the front. OOB bricks. Done. Same again on the other side. Apply. Apply. And the last one, apply. For some reason, it's okay. Try this one again. There we go. Okay, so got our wall bricked up. That wheel print, I have tried it. The wheel print, and I can make whatever sort of arch you want, height, make a viaduct, slot them all together, move them about. That's the basic principle of making that arc there. You can always put it in your slicer. I don't put bricks on the back because that's going on the bed of your printer, and it will come out. But for a better job, I would, if you want it, say 25mm wide, in your slicer, cut this down to 12.5, duplicate it, 2 parts, glue it together. Just makes life easier. Right, we'll use the arc. We'll put some soldier bricks, I think they call it. So right, rectangle tool along the bottom here. Now the length we know of that arc is highlighted is 4.59. So it's 4.59, comma, we want the height of our bricks, normally about 3, so we go for a 6. Wrong, 0.6. 4.59, comma, 0.6, and there we go. And we're using this pick tool, double click, right click, make a group. We're using this as a guide. Copy the face, edit, paste in place. Sometimes it won't pick the front, it picks the underneath. So if we pick the underneath, we can hide it for now. And we're left with the front. We'll pull it up 0.06, because when you add your bricks, you're up to 1mm, which is a good size for bending and stuff. So happy with that. Click the face, copy. Triple click, right click, make group. Edit, and you paste that face back in there. Now we want the bricks to run up and down this time, so it's face on the left hand side. We'll pick our bricks, and they're on there, but they've got gaps, and we want like soldier bricks. So we change this length to say 50, press enter, and then we've got soldier bricks. Now we'll press OK. So now we can pick the back, pick the front, right click, make a group. Now we need to make sure it's the right length, so we do an edit, unhide, and that will unhide our last bit, and it looks like the bricks have fallen into place anyway. Sometimes you'll have a gap at the end, but no, that's worked out fine. So we don't need to worry about the backing on it. We can delete that now. We'll get our bricks. We'll use our true bend. Is it true bend? True bend. We've got the same again. If you see we've got the segments, it's going to bend it along there, and this is our, well, I suppose our bending tong. Anyway, click on and we'll start pulling. We'll put in the angle as 180, enter, and I'm happy with that. We'll press enter again, and then we've got a row of soldier bricks. Get rid of the excess geometry. Now I'm not sure if it's going to fit, but we'll have a go. We'll click on, we'll have a look at our arch. And we'll come along the red. But you get the idea. You can put you can make it in stone. It needs lining up obviously a bit better, and obviously the wall wasn't thick enough. But you get the idea. You can all sorts with that, and then you make arches, brick arches to go into a building. So, any questions, you put them in a comment, and I'll see if I can sort them out. Thanks for now.